Now this is a review of the Revell 148 scale ME-109 G, and this is a fairly nice plastic model actually. Go through this and I'll show you the finished model. There are the paints that were used. And you start off with the cockpit, and you put that into the fuselage. Wings are built and assembled on the fuselage. Next you put on the tail stabilizer, and the wheels are put together, landing gear, and then the fuel tank. Next to put on the propeller. Propeller actually does turn, and then the canopy, as well as additional parts, including the air intake. Here's one option to paint, and there's another option to paint, and there's the top and the bottom, as well as the common decals. So let's have a look at the actual model, and these are recessed panel lines, and the same thing here on the wing. And what I did was I first sprayed some dark lines across the panel lines before painting, and that gives you sort of that shaded appearance. And masked off the tail. It's a fairly good quality model actually for Revell, with recessed panel lines. I've also sprayed around the exhausts with some acrylic wash, giving the appearance of some oil stains. And here you can see inside the cockpit. There's a fair amount of detail there, and it's all from a decal, as well as some hand painting there, and added a seat, and you can see some more details here on the left. On the underside, again recessed panel lines, and not a huge amount of detail here in the wheel well, but that's a reasonably good quality model, especially for a Revell model.